What's up, traders? I want to talk about how a legendary Japanese trader, CIS, Japanese people probably know about it who trade, but basically he's been in the news before. He was in the news before because he's made a lot of money, hundreds of $1 million, doing it in a very modest fashion, and he's gone on Japanese talk shows, that sort of thing, but he's always remained elusive and kept his identity secret. Then he had a Twitter handle that he's tweeting on now. He's tweeting his trades, and some reporters interviewed him this week. He had allegedly made between 30 and 40 million dollars just in this past couple weeks. I want to go over the trade. The trade where he made most of his money is the Nikkei. The Nikkei is like the S&P 500. It's the main index. We're talking about futures. Futures are not something you should be scared of. It's just another product, that an instrument just like a stock or something else that you can trade. And you can do so on a leveraged fashion. Leverage is both dangerous and good. If you have a big bet, you can make a lot of money. Here's his trade. August 12th, I believe it was. This is the longer term trend. If you're not day trading and you're not, you can say, oh, it's generally up. Here's the monthly, the past 10 years. Basically, Nikkei broke out in 2014. It's been a huge trend up since the end of 2012, ripping higher. And his trade, where he made millions of dollars this week, was August 12th. He noticed some weakness in the markets. 11th, 12th. Right here, we had this this day. I'm going to zoom in on this, but keep in mind this overall formation. August 12th, we had this break lower, outside day. Couldn't maintain the highs right here. And he started getting short in hundreds of lots of contracts. Each one is over $100,000 notional, but you only have to post a margin. So basically, I think he added to his trade around here. He developed a huge short position, hundreds of millions of dollars notionally, and then we completely, the end of last week, we closed on this area. I guess he didn't cover. Into Monday. This was the Monday. This was the kind of quote-unquote Black Monday. You can see the huge volume spike here. If I zoom in on this is a daily chart, you'll be able to see the kind of, here's an hourly chart. Just the trend has just been straight down, straight down. He basically tweeted and he covered in 17.3 area. A lot of it. He was also selling some puts down here. So he was selling these strike puts down here because the idea being that implied volatility spiked. You don't need to know that. But basically then he got long and he was selling, I think, up in here. Not positive on that. Would have to check his tweets. And then, I'm just going off of that. And also what he told the news. So Bloomberg did a story on it, Value Walk did a story on it. So there were people who made a lot of money from the recent crash. Just something to think about. I don't know, it's more for entertainment value than for learning. But congratulations, CIS, on his excellent trade. Cheers.